Hey guys, welcome back to Daily Cryptocurrency Tidbit. In today's video, I'm going to show you the cards you need to get Hamster Kombat daily combo of 5 million coin balance. Alright, the very first card you will need, you'll find it right under my specials tab. Go to under my cards and you have to look for Bitcoin Conference 2024. That's the first card for today. The second card for today is Kamala is calling. You'll still find that right under the specials tab, right under my cards section.
Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and share with your friends. It helps us grow the channel. Thank you very much.
And the third card for the day is Telegram Stars integration. Telegram Stars integration, you will need to be on level 16 on your IT team card. So you have to level up to level 16 on your IT team cards to be able to activate Telegram Stars integration, which is the third card for today. All right, so that is it, guys. So for a quick wrap up, the first card you need for today's Hamster Kombat daily combo is the Bitcoin Conference 2024. That's the first card you need for the day. And the second card is Kamala is calling. Right? You'll find all of these under my cards. And then the third card for the day is Telegram Stars integration. And remember, the Telegram Stars integration, you will need to be on level 16 of your IT teams. You have to level up to level 16 on the IT teams for you to be able to activate the Telegram Stars integration card. All right, so that is it, guys. The three cards for today's Hamster Kombat daily combo for 5 million coins. All right, see you next time. Bye.